Hey everyone, welcome back. Before we jump into today's topic, let's quickly go over those tricky sounds from the last video. Ready? Let's do this. So we worked on three important sounds: حرف الغين, حرف العين, and the sound we call قاف, حرف القاف. Let's go through them one more time to make sure they're feeling natural for you. First up, حرف الغين. Say this word with me. غالي. Nice. Let's do it again, but this time focus on getting that deep throaty sound. Ready? Go. غالي. Nice. Let's try a new word. غسلة. Say it with me. غسلة. Great. Keep working on that sound. It gets easier the more you practice. Next, حرف العين. This one is unique to Arabic, so let's really get it right. Repeat after me. عسل. Perfect. Now, let's try a new one. عين. Say it with me. عين. Nice. Don't worry if this still feels tricky. That's normal. Just keep practicing and it'll start to feel more natural. And now the sound we call قاف, حرف القاف. This one's a little different from the others, but it's just as important. Say this word with me. قلب. قلب. Nice work. Now that you've practiced those tricky sounds and gotten a feel for how they work, it's time to take things a step further. Sounds in Arabic aren't just about letters. Tiny marks can change everything. Did you know that in Arabic, just changing a tiny mark like b to b can give you a completely different word? These short vowels are fast, barely a second long, but they make a huge difference. Let's see how they work. In Arabic, we only have 3 short vowels and 3 long vowels. These vowels are super important because they shape pronunciation and meaning. I'll cover long vowels in another video, but for now, let's focus on the short ones. They're not full letters, they're tiny marks that sit above or below letters. And these are: first, فتحة. This tiny mark goes above the letter and gives an a sound, like in the English words bet or set. Next, ضمة. This mark also goes above the letter and gives an u sound, like in the English words put or foot. Finally, كسرة. This mark goes below the letter and gives an e sound, like in the English words sit or bit. Let's look at some examples for each one. First, for al-fatha. Take the word غسل. Let's break it down. Each letter has a fatha, so we'll pronounce each letter separately before saying the full word. First, we have غ. So the actual غ with its fatha, so the pronunciation is غ. Notice how I pronounce غ with fatha. It's quick and light. Then s, the actual s with fatha, so it's s. It's quick and light. And finally, l, so the actual l with its fatha, making it l. So when we put it together, we get غسل, غسل, غسل. This word, by its structure, naturally has 3 fathas, 1 on each letter. So make sure to pronounce it clearly. The more you practice, the smoother it'll sound. Next, take the word كتب. This word shows the three short vowels. Dhamma at the beginning with ku, and then kasra, ti, and then fatha, ba. Kutiba. Say it with me. Kutiba.